If you want to go live on your phone with overlays, alerts and more, then Streamlabs is the best option, and here's how you can use Streamlabs on mobile. So first of all, you have to install that app. So go to Play Store and search for Streamlabs. You can install that. It's completely free. Once app is installed, you can open the app and you will be asked to sign in with the streaming platform. You can log in with the Twitch, YouTube or even Facebook too, depending on what's your requirement, and choose a platform and allow the app to access your account. Next, you have to give the app permissions to use your camera, microphone and storage. You will need these to stream properly. Now Streamlabs lets you stream in two ways: in real life, like with using your camera, or stream your screen, which is great for like gaming and on-screen sharing. Pick the one you want, and if you are streaming your screen, make sure you are allowing the screen recording when asked. Then you can customize your screen before going live. You can add overlays, text and your logo. You can also choose the stream title, description and quality of settings. If you don't want overlays, you can skip this and keep it simple. Once everything is set up, tap on Go Live button and that's it. You are streaming. Streamlabs will show you your viewer count, chat and stream timer while you are live. And to stop streaming, tap on the red button and confirm. And that's how you can use Streamlabs on mobile. Now you can stream games, vlogs or share your screen all from your phone. Hit like and subscribe for more videos like that.